Diyan lang.
May chinila si Gian eh?
Ako in the front? Sige. Salamat, ma'am.
Ay, sorry.
Hey, good morning guys. So we're just at the Culasi port now, getting situated for our trip out to Malalison Island. We met a couple joiners here from the UK, so that'll make our price cheaper. So that's always a good life hack if you can find other people to help share the cost of the boat. It's a no-brainer, y'all. Anyways, Kuya James, who is over here, drove us here. Ayos, maraming salamat, bro. Ingat. See ya. So Kuya James drove us here, and now we're gonna go enjoy Malalison Island. Alright guys, we got a good crew here, just about to board the boat, headed for Malalison Island. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. It's malamig feels. Definitely does not feel like summer here in the Philippines right now. Alright guys, we made it, Malalison Island. I'm sure this audio is basura because it's sobrang mahangin, pero maganda. What do you think, sis?
Super nice, super ganda ng
Ayos! Woo! Now adventure mode is on. Gonna go saroy saroy, lagaw lagaw, laag laag, ikot ikot, explore around. I think I covered all the languages I know there. I think we're fixing to go on a little bit of a hike with our newfound friends from England over there, Sue and Alan. And we're getting our guide all situated. And Luna is just enjoying her time on the beach. Alright guys, this is like the poblacion area of the island. So I think there's something like a couple hundred families that live here, which is actually quite a lot for an island of this size. Usually I would expect like 30 to 50 families. But yeah, they have a proper barangay hall, carinderias, sari-sari stores. So it's a chill little community here. So guys, here's one of the hostels here on the island. So if you want to come stay overnight here, it's probably a really chill, cool experience. So we just learned that's the source of the drinking water here. So we noticed walking through town, they had taps everywhere, which I didn't expect because usually these smaller islands, they just bring in fresh water. But yeah, they have fresh water right here on the island. So got everything you need. So Malalison Island has a school, which you can see right behind me. Elementary school, grades 1 through 6. So what about after 6th grade? Wala na? Or? Ah, okay, they go to Culasi to continue their schooling from there. Feeling ko Hawaiian vibes, charot. Anyways, we're here at the summit now. Sobrang mahangin na yun. Pasensya ka na sa masamang audio. Look at that. Ganda-ganda naman, di ba?
Baba muna for that. For back.
Probably. Well, she touched on top.
No.
So that's a lung out catcher plant. So I heard there's many like carnivorous plants here. They eat insects, so that's pretty cool. So this hike gets a little steep, so they have like a cable that you can hold on to. Filipino ingenuity at its finest. Work smarter, not harder. Alright, we're back here on our descent in the cover of the trees here. And yeah, that's a wonderful hike. So if you're spending a half day or even a full day here in Malalison, I would definitely start with the hike, because it's nice to get to the top of the island and you can see all the way around it and sort of get your bearings. So yeah, it's a wonderful way to start the day. And you know what's up next? Kaon tayo. So these guys are cutting down a tree behind the house here, and earlier we heard it come down. I thought it hit the house, but they nailed it. So this is the carinderia dito sa isla. Meron dilis, pansit, adobo, menudo.
Like fry it? Oh, yeah!
Oh, you fry it first?
Yeah.
But it is already cooked, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's already dry.
Yeah, so you can eat it.
So we're telling our new British friends about some typical Filipino breakfasts. Bulad, langka, some kwek-kwek there. So it's fun sharing some education about some stuff I know with some fellow Westerners. Ate, ilang barangay dito sa isla?
744.
744 mga tao dito. Wow.
180 plus house.
Pero ilang barangay? Just dalawa? Isang dito? Tatlong barangay. Sige. So there's 744 people on this island here, spread out from 3 barangays. So I see one here, one on the other side of the island. There must be a third one somewhere. So we just got done with a nice little lunch here in our cottage nipa hut by the beach. Still sobrang mahangin, but it's nice here, chill vibes. That's a wrap on Malalison Island. Got our crew together, just heading back to the boat now, and then we're going to make our way down to Tibiao, where we will be staying tonight and experiencing some of the other well-known attractions here in Antique province. So stay tuned for that. That vlog is starting right where this one ends, so stay tuned. On the way back here. Basa pa more. It's all part of the experience. Alright guys, we're back in Culasi after a salty ride back. Got sobrang basa, pero okay lang. So now we're just on the tricycle on our way back to the central terminal, and then we're gonna try to pacquiao a tricycle to Tibiao down the road. So super excited to check out that town. Tara! Alright, now we're just at the van terminal, because I guess bawal ang tricycles to Tibiao, so we're getting a van there, and then we need to get habo-habo motorbike up the mountain, so it's turning into quite a travel adventure, but should be good.
The mini resort there in Dakawa.
Yeah, ang ganda doon, di ba?
Mayroong mura din.
Yeah, excited na ko para sa Kawahata.